Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update for 17 July. And this seems like a manipulation at best. We have so many manipulation going on right now into the market. So technical target of Ethereum just exploded and just went right to the money. Okay, so that was from the top here to the bottom, and this is where you broke out of it. And as far as I see things, there could be a little bit of room to actually come up to $1,521. But at the moment, if this is not manipulation and if this is a real breakout to the upside, then I'm expecting Ethereum to actually come down here, retest this level, and we're good to go up back up to $1,516. Now, the thing is that this could even be the end of the pump if this is meant to be a manipulation. So it's always a good idea to wait for the retest, but who knows, right? It can end up just going to moving to the upside. But the best way to trade, the best scenario to trade is to actually wait for Ethereum to break to the upside, come down for the retest, and then boom, shoot up to $1,500 as well. Now, the thing is that I would just want to bring in the EMAs as well and tell you about the EMA. The EMA is overextended, so I do expect Ethereum to actually try to come down here to this level and touch this line and touch the 55 EMA as well. Retest the EMAs, make a bullish candlesticks here, reversal sign, boom. Snap your fingers like Thanos and we're good to go to the above level, to the 1500 area level as well. Now, Bitcoin is having a very difficult time to actually even cross this level. I'm going to show you right now. There's a huge resistance at the moment for Bitcoin. Bitcoin itself didn't really cross this resistance just yet, but who knows, it can pull an Ethereum as well. Just the same way Ethereum pushed to the upside, Bitcoin can actually push to the upside as well. So yeah, let's see what happens. But if it does come down here, maybe this could be a consideration of an entry. So it does retest this level because you did have resistance here for a very long time. It's way more visible on a daily time frame. So I'm going to switch into the daily time frame and look at that huge pump to the upside that we saw yesterday with some 3 white soldier on the daily as well. So it's quite bullish. But the thing is that it's a good sign. Come down here, retest this level, might consider taking an entry, and then boom, you go to 1500 level. So is this 1500 going, what is it going to be like from there to there? Yeah, that's more like 23%, which is pretty decent as well. And that's it for this quick update on Ethereum. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.